Hey guys, welcome back to the Nets, the home of unbiased views. So this video is going to be short and simple. It's about the game that happened yesterday between India and England. So we are going to talk about a few ups and the few downs that I thought that were there in the game yesterday. So let's talk about straight out a beautiful win for India. Never expected that after losing the toss. I had lost hopes after losing the toss, and to be honest, I never thought India would play like it did. And surprising choice to start out with the team selection. I was surprised to see Ishan Kishan sit out instead of Surya Kumar. But I wanted Surya Kumar to play, but I wanted Ishan to open as well. So that's about the opening, and I was also surprised Navdeep Saini not getting a game. Washington Sundar had an off day, but he had an off day. Apart from that, overall, it was a very interesting and a gutsy 11 to play with, knowing that you're 2-1 down. So all in all, a beautiful game. Talking about the plus, Surya Kumar Yadav. Do I need to say anything more about him? The first shot that he played was one of the best shots I have seen anyone open with. Right, so he joins the list of four players. So he is the fourth player to be in the list to hit the first scoring run of a six. So it has happened in Test once. Sohail Tanveer has done it once, and some other guy, I missed his name. So these are the four guys who have started out hitting a six, which is an interesting fact because Gillespie or so three bowlers have done this, and he's a full time batsman who has done this for the first time. But nonetheless, a beautiful game. I would consider this a debut game for him. Nonetheless, knowing that this wasn't the debut game for him, he becomes the third one, in fact, to have a half century in your debut game. But again, getting into nitty-gritties, this might not be considered his debut. But all in all, a very beautiful game. The next thing that I want to talk about is Hardik Pandya. The way he bowled and the way Virat Kohli is showing confidence in him is not even close to being what he did earlier. Bowling his 4 overs for 16 runs is the best. Is the best that India could get from him, and what a gutsy move by asking him to bowl the opening over. So that played out well, and he was clocking 140 yesterday. So which is a good thing to see. And going ahead, I think he might just be the number three pacer in the mix. When Shami and Bumrah, both of them come back, I see Hardik Pandya there, and I also see I'm waiting to see this batting lineup bowl with Bumrah, Shami, Ravindra Jadeja, Ashwin, and Hardik Pandya in the mix. So have those 5 overs covered, and have Natarajan in there as the fifth one. Well, and or you can have UZ as your fifth one. So that's about it. And the bowling, I would say that it was a beautiful game, beautifully bowled. Jofra Archer brought us up back to the edge of our seats, but then Shardul did what he did best. The drop catch could have cost us the game from the Shardul, and also Shardul's over also won us the game, right? So the 2 wickets that he took, any given day, I would have considered this as a game lost when Ian Morgan and Ben Stokes were playing. But a beautiful over by Shardul. And also, did the catch cost us? I think so. It went down because of the catch which Shardul dropped. Anyhow, beautiful game of cricket, and I think overall India won. Now let's see for the last game on this Saturday. We are hoping to win this. We want this win to go in the T20 finals. Like Kohli said, that this is the last game that we'll be playing before the World Cup. So yeah, I want to see Ishan Kishan play. I really want to see Ishan Kishan play and Surya Kumar play. predicting about the 11 for the next game. We'll do a video shortly about that, about predicting the 11 and the possible outcomes. Uh, how important is the toss going to be in the next game is also a critical factor. But after the last game, he pretty much proved that winning the toss might not necessarily mean winning the game. So, all right. On that note, if you have come this far, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Please do whatever you can to spread the word out. It will give us immense support. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll do the same. We'll do one more video over the weekend on tomorrow morning or something. Let's try and do one video about predicting what the 11 would be. And let's see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Peace out.